Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to learn something very simple but very important in English. Have you ever noticed that before people's names, we often see words like Mr., Mrs., Ms., and Miss? Many people get confused about when to use which one. So in this video, I will explain the difference in a very easy way, with clear examples, so you can use them correctly in daily life. Let's begin. The first one is Mr. We use Mr. for all adult men, no matter if they are married or not. It is always used before the last name or the full name. Examples: Mr. Ollie is my teacher. This is Mr. John Smith. So remember, Mr. equals adult man. All right, next up, we got Mrs. So, when we talk about a married lady, we use Mrs. It kind of tells us she's married, right? Now, here are some examples. Mrs. Ahmed's our next-door neighbor. And here's Mrs. Sarah Khan. So, Mrs. stands for married woman, right? All right, let's chat about Ms. Not quite the same, you know. We saying Ms. when we don't want to mention if a lady is hitched or not. It's a nice and cool way of talking to women, especially in that work world stuff. Examples: Ms. Sarah's gonna be in the meeting today. All right, want to get Ms. Fatima, please. So, Ms. is like, no clue about who's married or not. All right, and here we have Miss. You can use Miss to describe a girl or a lady who's not married yet. Take a look at these examples. Miss Yassini is out studying. Miss Maple got the top spot in her class. So, Miss can refer to a single woman or a young girl. So that's it for today's video. I hope this simple explanation helped you understand when to use Mr., Mrs., Ms., and Miss. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Hi, I hope you find this video more informative. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.